As a professional athlete, it is important to have both a healthy body and a healthy mind.
I like reading because when I grow up, I want to become an engineer or a teacher.
The more I read, the faster and better I can read. It helps me get better grades. My favorite book is Jack and the Beanstalk.
We like to keep up to date with news and current affairs. Reading is to the mind, what exercise is to the body.
I love it when my teacher reads a good book. I like to listen to funny stories. It makes me laugh a lot. I have to learn to read so I can get a job in the future.
Why do you like to read?
I like to read because the stories allow me to travel the world without going anywhere.
Reading makes you stronger.